Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore mortgage interest deduction using Bank of America forms, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary financial documents related to your mortgage. Locate your most recent mortgage statement. Visit the Bank of America website. Log into your online banking account. Navigate to the Forms section. Search for the mortgage interest deduction forms. Download the relevant forms to your device. Carefully read the instructions provided with the forms. Fill out the forms with accurate information from your mortgage statement. Double-check your entries for any errors. Prepare any additional documentation required, such as tax returns or proof of income. Review your completed forms to ensure everything is accurate. Print the filled forms for submission. Pack all required documentation into a secure envelope. Address the envelope to the specific department at Bank of America listed in the instructions. Mail the envelope using a trackable shipping method. Check your email for any confirmation from Bank of America regarding the receipt of your forms. Follow up with Bank of America if you do not receive a confirmation within a reasonable timeframe. Keep a copy of all submitted documents for your records. Monitor your mortgage statements to confirm the restoration of your mortgage interest deduction. Stay informed about any changes in tax laws that may affect your mortgage interest deduction in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.